हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। मैं सल वितेश भागनानी और आज मैं अपनी वीडियो में आपको बिग डेटा एनालिटिक्स के इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस का पार्ट 5 जो है अपलोड करने जा रहा हूं। पार्ट 4 तक मैंने अभी तक अपलोड कर दिए हैं, तो हम अपने आगे की और एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 30 तक मैंने आपको पहले से ही बता दिया है। मैं इस वीडियो में क्वेश्चन नंबर 31 से स्टार्ट करूंगा। इससे पहले अगर आपने सॉफ्ट कंप्यूटिंग के भी अगर आपने क्वेश्चंस नहीं देखे तो आप सॉफ्ट कंप्यूटिंग के भी देख सकते हैं, और बिग डेटा एनालिटिक्स के पार्ट नंबर 4 तक जो है मैंने पूरी प्लेलिस्ट अपलोड कर दी है, उसे प्लीज आप देखें और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना नहीं भूलें। आज की इस वीडियो में क्वेश्चन नंबर 31 है ब्लैंक स्पेस। पार्ट ऑफ द मैप रेड्यूस इज रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर प्रोसेसिंग वन और मोर चंक्स ऑफ डेटा एंड प्रोड्यूसिंग द आउटपुट रिजल्ट। सो देयर आर 4 ऑप्शंस। Option A map task, option B mapper, option C task execution, and option D all of the mentioned. So the answer is option number A, map task, because map task in MapReduce is the performed using the map function. Question number 32. Blank space function is responsible for consolidating the result produced by each of the map function tasks. So there are 4 options. Option A reduce, option B map, option C reducer, and all of the mentioned. So answer is option number A, which is reduce function, because reduce function collates the work and resolve the result. अगर आपको स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है तो आप स्क्रीनशॉट भी ले लीजिए अपने फ्यूचर रेफरेंस के लिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 33, ब्लैंक स्पेस मैप्स इनपुट की वैल्यू पेयर्स टू अ सेट ऑफ इंटरमीडिएट की वैल्यू पेयर्स। सो देयर आर 4 ऑप्शंस, मैपर, रेड्यूसर, both mapper and reducer, and none of the mentioned. So the answer is option number A, which is mapper, because maps are the individual tasks that transform input records into intermediate records. Question number 34. Running a blank space programs involve running mapping tasks on many or all of the nodes in our cluster. So there are 4 options: MapReduce, map, reducer, and all of the mentioned. So the answer is MapReduce, because MapReduce program involve running mapping tasks on many or all of the nodes in our cluster. Question number 35. What if a number of reducers are set to 0? So there are 3 options: reduce only job take place, option number B map only job take place, option number C reduce output will be the final output. So the answer is map only job take place, which is option number B. Question number 36. Which among the following control the partitioning of the keys of the intermediate map outputs? So there are 4 options: record reader, combiner, partitioner. 3 options. So the answer is option number 3, पार्टीशनर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 37, आप इसके स्क्रीनशॉट भी लेते रहिए प्लीज। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फेसेस अकर साइमल्टेनियसली? शफल एंड मैप, शफल एंड सॉर्ट, रेड्यूस एंड सॉर्ट। सो द आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी, शफल एंड सॉर्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 38. इन SDFS, put command is used to copy files from local file system to SDFS, copy files or directories from local file system to SDFS. Option number C, copy files from SDFS to local file system. Option number D, copy files or directories from SDFS to local file system. So the answer is option number B, copy files or directories from local file system to the SDFS. Question number 39. Which of the following is not the face of reducer? So there are 4 options: shuffle, sort, map, and reduce. So the answer is map, because map and reduce both are different functions. So map is not a part of reduce. Question number 40. Mapper's sorted output is input to reducer, mapper, and shuffle. So the answer is option number A, reducer. Question number 41. Which among the following generates an intermediate key value pairs? So there are 4 options: reducer, mapper, combiner, and partitioner. So the answer is option number B, mapper. Question number 42. The framework groups reducer inputs by key in blank space stage. So there are 4 options: sort, shuffle, reduce, and none of the mentioned. So the answer is shuffle, because the shuffle sort phase occur simultaneously while map outputs are being fetched, they are merged. Question number 43. Hadoop input output. Hadoop comes with a set of blank space for data input output. So there are 4 options: methods, commands, classes, and none of the mentioned. So the answer is option number D, none of the mentioned, because Hadoop input output consists of primitives for serialization and deserialization. Question number 44. How many formats of sequence file are present in Hadoop input output? So there are 4 options: 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is option number D, which is 3. because sequence file has three available format: an uncompressed format, a record compressed format, and a block compressed format. Question number 45. Apache Hadoop provides a persistent data structure for binary key value pairs. So there are four options: get file, sequence file, put file, and all of them mentioned. So the answer is option number B, sequence file. Question number 46. Pig operates in mainly how many nodes? So the answer is option number A, 2 modes, because it has 2 modes, interactive and batch mode. Question number 47. Point out the correct statement. So there are four options: you can run pig in either mode using the pig command. Option B, you can run pig in batch mode using the grunt shell command. Option C, you can run pig in interactive mode using the fs shell command, and none of the above. So the answer is option number A, you can run pig either in mode using the pig command, because you can run pig in either mode using the pig command or the Java command. Question number 48. You can run pig in batch mode using a pig shell. Option B, pig script. Option C, pig option, and option D, all of the above. So the answer is option number B. Pig script contain pig Latin statements. Question number 49. Pig Latin statements are usually organized in one of the following ways. Option A load statement to read data from the file system, a series of transformation statement to process the data. C, a dump statement to view results, or store statements to save the results. Option D, all of the mentioned. So the answer is option number D, a dump or store statement is required to generate the output. Question number 50. Point out wrong statement. Option A, to run pig in local mode, you need access to a single machine. Option B, the display operator will display the result to your terminal screen. Option C, to run pig in MapReduce mode, you need access to a Hadoop cluster and HDFS installation. Option D, all of the above. So answer is option number B, the display operator will display the results to your terminal screen, because the dump operator will display the result to your terminal screen. Question number 51. Which of the following function is used to read data in a pig? So there are four options: write, read, load, and none of the mentioned. So answer is option number C, read. Question number 52. You can run pig in interactive mode using shell, grunt, fs, sdfs, and none of the mentioned. So answer is grunt. By using grunt, you can use interactive mode, because invoke the grunt shell using the pig command and then enter your pig Latin statement, and pig commands interactively at the command line. Question number 53. Which of the following will run pig in local mode? There are four options. Option A, pig x local, pig x stays local, pig, and none of the mentioned. So the answer is option number A, pig -x local. Question number 54. $pig x stays local will enable mode in pig. So there are four options: MapReduce, stays local, and none of the mentioned. So the answer is none of the mentioned, because stays local mode is similar to local mode, except internally pig will invoke Tej runtime engine. Question 55. Blank space operator is used to review the schema of a relation: dump, describe, store, and explain. So there are four options. So answer is option number B, describe operator is used to review the schema of a relation. Question number 56. Which of the following operator is used to view the MapReduce execution plans? So there are four options: dump, describe, store, and explain. So the answer is option number D, explain, display, executes, plan. Explain, display, execute plans. So thank you friends for watching this video. Please like and share my channel. और मुझे बहुत सारे सब्सक्राइबर्स की नीड है, तो अपने ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा दोस्त को अलग अलग कॉलेजों में जो हैं उन्हें शेयर करें, ताकि उनकी भी हेल्प हो जाए एग्जाम में. So thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you so much.